Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen again. I am so excited to show you this new recipe. Today we're gonna make a jalapeno cashew dressing. Why is it that I'm so excited? It's just a dressing, but it will be the star in your salads. I know there's a lot of people who don't like salads. They think they are boring. I don't really understand why. Salads are so colorful, full of nutrients. And just to look at a salad, honestly, it makes me happy just to see all those colors and what it does for my health. That's why actually nature made those bright colors that we are attracted to them and then eat them. Now this dressing, it's very simple, but yet it will change the way people see a salad. They won't say it's boring, really. So let's make this wonderful dressing together. Okay, here is what we need for a dressing. We need, of course, a blender. I have a Vitamix, but if you don't have a Vitamix, you can use any blender that you have at home. We also need water, and I have 2 cups of water here. Cilantro. I'm using a bunch of organic cilantro. Sometimes the bunch of cilantro has more than others, so in this case it wasn't one that had a lot of cilantro, it was a small one, so I'm using the whole cilantro. 1 jalapeno, and again this jalapeno is not spicy, so that's why I'm using the whole jalapeno. But if you prefer to use half or 3/4, it's up to you. I am also using a clove of garlic, and it's organic too, and I'm using 2 complete lemons. 2 cups of water and salt to your liking. I like to use Himalayan pink salt because it has less sodium and it has other minerals. But if you don't have this at home, you can use any salt you have at home. Finally, we need 2 cups of organic cashews, which I soak and rinse this morning. Cashews are very nutritious and they're very versatile. You can use them for dressings, you can use them for desserts, to make granola, and they are very healthy and very nutritious. They contain the 3 micronutrients. They are a good source of carbohydrates. They also have healthy fats, and they are a good source of proteins. They contain vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting. They contain vitamin B6, selenium, potassium, magnesium, copper. So they are really healthy and very nutritious. So let's make it our dressing. We pour the cashews, put the cilantro previously washed, the garlic. I'm gonna put the whole jalapeno, but remember, you can put less if you prefer. We're gonna squeeze the lemons. These are big, sometimes they come smaller and they're easier to squeeze. I'm gonna use 2 cups of water. I like my dressing not too thick, but not too watery. So you just add slowly the water. I mean, you will need, for 2 cups of cashews, you will definitely need 2 cups of water, not less than that. But you can add a little bit more after you blend it if you want a little bit more watery. And then with the salt too, I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon and a little bit more, and then you can try it. It's better to put less than to put more salt. And that's it. We're gonna blend, and this will be ready in an instant. So our dressing is ready. This dressing will be good in the refrigerator for about 1 week, and I prefer to use a glass container to keep it fresh. It smells so good that I can't wait to eat my salad. So for the salad, I'm gonna show you what I like to put in my salad, but that's up to you what you like to put. I like to put a variety of vegetables, and sometimes I even mix fruits. I like a very colorful salad. In this case, I'm using organic kale, chard, arugula, and I'm using also the leaves of beets. This is a yellow beet. Some people throw away these leaves, but they are very nutritious. They are a good source of vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is the same as folate, and folate is very important in manufacturing red blood cells. They are also very important in women who are pregnant because it prevents brain defects. It also helps prevent damage in the spine of the fetus. All greens actually contain folate, so it's very important to consume. This is also a very good source of protein. All greens contain protein. They are also carbohydrates, but they are very low in carbohydrates. It's a good source of iron, potassium, magnesium. It is almost impossible to name all the micronutrients that vegetables have. So what I like to have in order to avoid nutritional deficiencies is to include as many colors as I can. I like my salads very colorful. And honestly, when I said the salads make me happy, I'm not exaggerating. They really make me happy to see all these bright colors make me smile. So here is what I'm gonna put to my salad. I'm gonna put yellow beets and red beets. Beets are also a good source of folate. They are a good source of iron too. I have chickpeas here. I have oyster mushrooms, fresh tomatoes, red peppers, carrots, and broccoli. I like to include some type of cruciferous vegetables in my salad because they have anti-cancer properties. Whether it's broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, it is important for me to include them. When you cut, for example, broccoli and you smell that pungent smell, that is sulfur compounds, and those sulfur compounds inhibit carcinogens to bind into the cells, so they protect all our cells from damage. So it is important to include them. So as you can see, it's very colorful, and this is all for my salad. So my salad is ready, and all I need is to put this wonderful dressing. I am sure that if you make it at home, it will become one of your favorites. And people who say that they don't like salad will really enjoy a salad with this dressing. I am getting so hungry. I cannot wait to try this. You can put as much as you want, and please don't feel guilty. Cashews are high in fat, but this is the only fat we have here, and this is a complete meal. I'm also going to add a little bit of pepper, and that's it. I'm ready to devour this big salad. And as you can see, nothing of what I did came from a can or from a package or from a factory. Everything came from healthy soils. That is my intention, to bring you healthy recipes that are very easy to make. All I did was to wash and cut a lot of vegetables. When you make the salad, enjoy it, and I'm sure it will make you as happy as it makes me. Bon appetit. Bye.